Hello everyone. Today we will learn about the Incident Recall Technique, IRT, an important safety management tool. This technique helps organizations identify unsafe situations by collecting information about incidents, near misses, and unsafe behaviors from employees. By studying these incidents, management can understand the root causes of accidents and take preventative measures. It encourages learning from past experiences to improve workplace safety and prevent future accidents. The Critical Incident Technique, CIT, is a systematic method used to collect information about important workplace incidents by observing human behavior. These incidents can have either a positive or negative impact on safety and work performance. Employees report or describe situations that are considered critical because they significantly affect an activity or process. The collected observations are carefully recorded and analyzed to identify patterns, understand the reasons behind the incidents, and solve practical workplace problems. The information also helps researchers and organizations understand human behavior and develop better safety practices. In safety management, CIT is valuable because it focuses on learning from real experiences rather than assumptions, helping organizations.io. A critical incident is an event that has a significant positive or negative impact on workplace activities. Positive incidents show effective safety practices, while negative incidents highlight hazards that need correction. The Critical Incident Technique, CIT, is a flexible method used to study these events systematically. It focuses on 5 key areas: identifying the incident, collecting facts, analyzing the issues, deciding on corrective actions, and evaluating the results. This process helps improve workplace safety and prevent future incidents. The Critical Incident Technique, CIT, follows 5 important steps. First, the incident is identified and reviewed to understand what happened. Next, facts are collected from everyone involved to gather accurate information. The issues and root causes are then identified. Based on the findings, the best corrective action is selected from the available solutions. Finally, the effectiveness of the chosen solution is evaluated to ensure the root cause has been eliminated and that no new problems are created in the future. Many organizations encourage reporting near misses and critical incidents to prevent accidents. The Critical Incident Recall Technique is highly effective in high-risk workplaces. However, it succeeds only when there is mutual trust between management and employees, allowing workers to report incidents honestly without fear of blame or disciplinary action. For the Critical Incident Technique to be successful, communication must be open, honest, and based on trust. Managers should accept criticism positively without becoming defensive. Employees should be encouraged to report incidents without fear of disciplinary action, as the goal is to identify the true causes of problems rather than assign blame. Senior management must demonstrate commitment to safety and continuous improvement. When both management and workers recognize that safety issues exist, they are more willing to work together to create a safer workplace. The process begins with a short training session for all department members. They learn about the relationship between people, machines, and the environment in workplace safety. The entire process is explained, and selected employees are trained as critical incident observers to identify and record important safety-related incidents during daily work activities. Elected department members are trained as critical incident interviewers to collect information from their coworkers about safety-related incidents. These interviewers must be trusted by the workforce so employees can speak honestly. The information gathered is then communicated to management, helping identify hazards and implement effective corrective actions to improve workplace safety. The observation process continues for 6 months to collect sufficient incident data. Based on the identified critical incidents, a questionnaire is prepared and completed by all department members during meetings. The responses are analyzed and presented using histograms, making it easier to identify trends, common safety issues, and areas requiring corrective action. The senior department manager conducted meetings with employees to discuss the histogram results. He encouraged workers to explain the reasons behind their responses and openly share their concerns. This open discussion helped management understand workplace issues, identify root causes, and build trust, leading to better safety practices and continuous improvement. Managers should accept criticism calmly without becoming defensive. Fair and respectful leadership encourages employees to support management and participate openly in discussions. If needed, a facilitator can guide the conversation. This approach builds trust, honesty, and open communication, creating a positive safety culture where workplace problems can be identified and solved effectively. The Critical Incident Technique, CIT, is a flexible and easy-to-use method for improving workplace safety. It collects information directly from employees in their own words, providing accurate and detailed descriptions of incidents. Unlike fixed surveys, it allows respondents to explain events freely. CIT helps identify rare but important incidents that other methods may miss, and is especially useful when the cause of a problem is unknown. It is cost-effective, provides valuable information, and can be conducted through interviews or questionnaires. By identifying system weaknesses and safety risks, CIT supports better decision-making and continuous improvement in workplace safety. The Critical Incident Technique, CIT, has some limitations. It depends on employees remembering incidents accurately, so important details may be forgotten or reported incorrectly. Some incidents may not be reported at all. People also tend to remember recent incidents more easily, which can create bias in the collected information. In addition, some respondents may not have the time or willingness to provide a complete description of the incident. Since CIT focuses only on significant incidents, it does not represent everyday work activities or routine conditions. Therefore, it should be used along with other safety assessment methods for a more complete evaluation.